discuss how we will deal with the questions that are related to the equation of circle. Either we have to work out for the equation of circle, or with the help of the equation of circle we have to find out the center or the radius, right? So let's start with this video, everyone. So if we know that what is the standard form of the standard equation of a circle, we know that that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equals to r square. R means we know that it is the radius only, right? What is this h and k? This is the coordinate for the center of the circle. Okay, that is the coordinate for the center of the circle. Now, how to find it? In the first question, if you will see, direct the equation is given to you, that is x minus h. Now here if you will see, there is plus 5, right? But the standard form say there is should be a minus. So how this minus will become plus if it is negative 5? Because we know that the equation is like this only, and when negative negative opens it become positive. So here what is h? So if I will talk about the first question and I will talk about the center, so it is h is what? Minus 5. And what is, because y minus k is already, it is in the standard form, so the k is 3, right? This is the center. And when we talk about the radius, so radius will be what? This is 6 square, because we have the radius square, and the square of what number is 36? It's 6. So radius is 6. It can't be negative because we know that the distance can't be negative. So radius is always positive, right? We can't take negative 6. It is positive 6 only, right? So now, if you will see the second question is not in the form of the standard equation. First of all, we have to make the seventh question in the form of the standard equation. Now, how to make it? So this is this is not the standard form. First, convert it into the standard form. How to do that? First of all, just take the x values only. X square minus 4x. Now here we have to make the identity, because our standard equations say that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. We have the open value. If you will see this identity, this is a minus b whole square. And what is the identity of a minus b whole square? That is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This is my a, this is my b. So I have a square, which is x square. I have 2ab, which is negative 2 multiply what? The x multiply what? What should I multiply here so that it will become negative 4x? Of course, I know that I will multiply 2 only. So I have to add the square of 2, which is 4. So in the equation which is given in the question, what I will do, I will add 4 and I will subtract 4 to make the identity, basically, right? To make the identity. Now, a square plus b square, because it is 2 square only, minus 2ab. So it gives me this. Now I am not taking 4 here. I am taking 4 is the square of 2. So with the help of identity, I want a square, b square. So basically what is 4? The square of 2. So that's why a minus b whole square. Now let's move towards the b part. Y, that is the y minus k whole square. So I have a square. Now I will take the 8y. So again, I will make the same equation. So see, I have y square, which is a square. I have 8y, means I have negative 2ab. So negative 2 into a, which is y. What should I multiply here so that it will become negative 8y? Obviously, 4 I will multiply so that it will become 8y. So 4 square I have to add here. So in the general equation, what I will do, I will add 16 and I will subtract 16, right? I will add 16 and I will subtract 16. Now, if you will see the question, this portion, and this portion, it gives you a identity of a minus b whole square. Similarly, same with this thing, this and plus 16. Please remember, b square is always positive. It will give you y minus b whole k whole square equals to whatever I left with, that negative 45, negative 4 and negative 16. So 45 will go to that side, become positive, and this will become 20 positive to that side. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square, that is equals to 65. Now what is the center? So center I have is 2 comma 4, because the general equation say that h and k, and the signs are negative already. And what is the radius? It is square root of 65. So because I know that in the standard equation I have r square, and 65 is the square of square root 65. So the radius is root 65. Okay, so now let's move towards the next question. And the next question says that this one. So I have, so first of all, I will take all the x values. So I have this, I have this. What should I add? I know that this is my 2ab, negative 2 into a, which is x, into b. So b, what should I multiply here so that it will become negative 8? So obviously 4. So this square of 4 I have to add and subtract, right? So plus 16 and minus 16. Now let's move towards the y portion. A square plus 2ab. So this time we have the equation of the plus because it is 10y. So a square, 2ab is what? 2 into a, which is y, into what should I multiply so that it becomes plus 10y? So it will 5. So I will add the plus 25 and minus 25 and equals to 0. Now this and this I am using to make the equation, oh sorry, negative y because 8 is negative, and square, and plus I will take this portion now, and plus 25. So it will become y plus 5 whole square, y plus because 10y is positive, and whatever left that I have to take to the another side. So 25 minus 16 is minus 41, and we have 12 also, minus 12 also, which is 53, right? So 53 I'm taking to that side, right? So now I know that what is the center. So center will be 4 comma negative 5 because here it is plus, but the standard equation say there should be a minus, so it's minus. And what is the radius? It is root 53 because root 53 square is 53, because in the standard equation we have the r square in the right hand side, right? So as simple as that. Now moving towards the fourth question. Fourth question is this one. Please understand this question. 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equals to 0. Now what I just have to see the first x values. So I have a square. I have, first of all, I will take 2 common basically here. So when I will take 2 common from here, it will be like this because I just want x square and y square single-handedly. I don't want any number with that. So now it will go to that side. This multiply 2 will go to that side, becomes a divide. So now the equation will become this one, right? Now again, I have to do the same thing. This is my a square. This is of 2ab. So what should I multiply? 2 into a. What should I multiply here? So that it will become x by 2. So I know that I will multiply 1 by 4. So it will become x by 2 only because it's this. Now, for this number, I have to add the square and I have to subtract the square also. So I am adding 1 by 16 and I am subtracting 1 by 16 equals to 0. So now this one, and this one. B square is always positive. So I am taking this. Now, I don't have anything with the y. So I am taking directly as y square, and I have whatever left that I have to take to the another side. So what is the center now? Center is nothing, 1 by 4 comma 0 because I have nothing with y. And what is the radius? It's 1 by 4 because 1 by 4 square is 1 by 16. So that's why the radius is 1 by 4. As simple as that, right? So this is the way to solve out the question. And let's say if the question is like, if we have the center and the radius, we just have to plug that center in the standard form, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square if we have the radius also. So that becomes the standard equation of a circle, right? So yeah, thank you so much.